From within the editor view of the guide, select the Guide Information icon. Then select Guide Metadata from the drop-down. In the window that appears, select the Custom Metadata tab. Create a new metadata field with the name LTI. Input the Canvas course code as the value. I am going to match up this guide with an imaginary Canvas course. The course code is PWR-1000-01. Please note that you can match one guide up to many Canvas courses. In other words, I can add multiple LTI fields to this guide. As an alternative solution, I could create one LTI field with the value PWR. This will match the guide up to any Canvas course with a course code that begins with PWR. Your work here in Guides is done.